Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Tom Spark. Welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about Surfshark's kind of antivirus and anti-tracking capability. Now, one of the reasons I'm making this video is because Surfshark just added a new web protection feature. So this feature is built in to protect you from malware and phishing even before something's downloaded. The way it works is it does so by checking the URL on your browser or any other program and seeing if it's malicious or not. It kind of like scans a database, and basically the way this works is it's a web protection filter built into the antivirus functionality. So you can even add an exclusion list, add various different websites. So it's definitely a pretty cool feature that it's just making Surfshark's antivirus better already. Now, they also detail how this feature works. In order for web protection to fully protect you, a root certificate is automatically installed. This ensures secure communication and it prevents man-in-the-middle attacks. They also clarify they do not have any access to your data that a certificate might communicate over the internet. Our root certificate works only when using Surfshark antivirus and does not synchronize with other Surfshark devices. It's installed locally on your computer. So the nice thing is you don't even actually have to be connected to Surfshark's VPN service. You just need to have the antivirus kind of running on your computer and it should protect you. So pretty cool. And I think that's one really compelling thing about this is it's kind of making Surfshark as a product more interesting and compelling, not just for its VPN uses. You know, you might be thinking like, do I need Surfshark? Not just do I need Surfshark VPN? And that is something that is very interesting. And it's definitely something I've been considering when ranking these various services, that they are kind of evolving. And we'll kind of touch on that later at the end of the video. Additionally, the extension, which I will discuss later in this video, also does not require Surfshark to be connected, and this is essentially kind of working like something like uBlock Origin, so pretty neat. I think it actually probably gives the best kind of combination of those things in any VPN out there. And in fact, there really aren't that many VPNs that offer antivirus included within. That's actually pretty good. Now, you do have a lot of VPNs out there that are made by antivirus companies, but you don't really have that many the other way around. So let's go ahead and discuss that today. So guys, let's go ahead and take a look at what we're looking at here. Surfshark is right here. As you can see, I have Clean Web on, and I have this antivirus feature built in. So this is pretty cool. Very simple to use, very easy, and it's using the Virus SDK, a very trusted antivirus kind of capability there to make sure you're not getting any viruses and stuff like that. But the cool thing about Surfshark is if you go into the app settings here and you go, it's VPN settings. Here it is, Clean Web. So Clean Web blocks ads, trackers, and malware when VPN is connected. And you can use the browser extension for advanced ad tracker and malware blocking. So this extension is free to use for Surfshark customers, and this Clean Web feature is built in. The antivirus does take a little bit more of a package. They have like 3 bundled offerings. So I honestly recommend the 1+ package because it actually includes Incogni. So very nice. But specifically for Clean Web, I actually did a video where I was testing the antivirus capability. No, not the antivirus, the ad tracking capability or blocking of said ads from various VPN providers, and I actually found Surfshark was one of the top performers. Now, since that video, I've kind of configured my network in a way that kind of makes these videos kind of hard to test. I'm actually using kind of an ad blocker in my router level, which can be a little bit tricky for people, especially if you're kind of not super familiar with customizing router settings. I would say that this is the next best thing to kind of having it on a computer by computer basis or on your phone. Very nice. Not only that, but kind of messing with the ad blocking settings in your router can kind of create some issues that, you know, having to configure, take that DNS away. But this is like you could turn on, turn off, so you don't really have issues really at all. So we could kind of do some basic tests, of course. Like I can't test these completely because my network has kind of become so foolproof at the end of the day. There are various tools that kind of can test your capability to block things. So we have Clean Web on. We also have this Surfshark extension, and this is what it looks like. It is pretty cool. So you could block ads, trackers, and cookie pop-ups. You can also change the settings too, and it just kind of brings up your Surfshark thing there. So as you can see right here, we've blocked 14 ads, and we've blocked all the cookie pop-ups. So pretty good. So like I said, the One package does include antivirus, and the One Plus package does include Incogni built in. So I would say this one is probably the one to go for if you guys do want to go for one. You can also get Incogni separately or even get this package too. So I'll be putting a link for this in the description down below. Using that link should get you, I don't know if it has a free month right now, but using that link anytime you click on this video should get you any available free months. Every month or two, they kind of change a couple different extra bonuses. So click the link in the description down below to lock that in. You will get 80% off the variable kind of plans. But these kind of discounts are kind of going all year long. It's more about the free months, I would say. But is there really any other VPN that kind of offers features like this? Well, I don't really think so. Why do I think so? Well, that's because I've pretty much tested every VPN provider. Let's go ahead and check out the tier list. As you can see here, here's the tier list of all the different features. And I've been very careful to categorize these kind of extra features here. Now, some people criticize me saying, hey, Tom, why is this included as like a feature, something you look for in VPNs? Well, it's because you're really getting a good value and these things complement each other very well. Why would you buy a VPN that includes antivirus and these capabilities compared to one that doesn't, especially if it's a good feature? You wouldn't. So if we take a look at the kind of tier list itself, NordVPN does offer some similar kind of features. It's not as advanced as Surfshark though. It's not a full antivirus. It's more of like a threat blocker. Surfshark and Nord are actually kind of like sister companies, so very similar there. But if we look at the tier list itself, really it's only private internet access, PureVPN, and CyberGhost offering some similar features. But outside of that, there really isn't anything else out there that is doing it like this. And just to be clear, these ones, I think Pure does offer an antivirus, but it's not as good as Surfshark. And private internet access and CyberGhost maybe offer something a little bit similar. But at the end of the day, they're just simply not as good as VPN providers. So that's something definitely to think about. Anyways, guys, let me know down in the description down below if you use Surfshark, if you use the antivirus, if it's compelling to you, if it's not compelling to you, if you use Incogni or not Incogni, or what you think about this kind of inclusion of these kind of extensions that kind of enhance your tracking and capability going forward. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon.